outdoors? Do you think the air is clean at home? Well, I beg to differ. The air indoors is about 5 times more polluted than the air outdoors. Do you wonder why you start coughing when you get home? Or why you are having an allergic reaction every time you enter your laundry room? It might be volatile organic compounds that are polluting your home, or household items and chemicals, such as detergents, cosmetics, carpets, or even your romantic soothing candles. I am iBaby Air, a smart air quality monitor and purifier. I'm here to make sure you and your family are breathing clean, fresh air, alerting you every time the air quality drops. Functioning as an air station, I allow you to see data from iBaby Air monitors near you. For comparison, when I detect a decrease in air quality, I'll send an alert straight to your phone and will automatically start purifying the air with ions. Also, I will provide you with graphs and suggestions to improve your lifestyle. I'll make sure you're living a happy, healthy life, just like I did for this family.
Hi, my name is Jen. I am the mom of 2 kids and I am 32 weeks pregnant with my 3rd. I was having trouble getting comfortable and sleeping through the night, so I started using the Boppy multi-use slip-covered total body pillow. What I really love about this pillow is that I get full body support and it doesn't overwhelm the bed. The total body pillow has this unique contoured shape. It supports my head, neck, back, bump, and legs. I may sound like Goldilocks, but it's just right. It's not too firm and not too squishy. I even use it when I'm watching TV or reading in bed. The 100% cotton slip cover is super soft, removable, and machine washable, which is great because I use it every night.
Flosstime is a deceptively simple, automated floss dispenser designed to help you build better daily flossing habits. It quickly and easily mounts to your bathroom mirror and acts as a visual reminder to clean in between your teeth. With the push of a button, Flosstime automatically dispenses the perfect amount of floss. Dentists recommend you floss at least once a day, so if used regularly, Flosstime lights up with a fun smile for a job well done. But if a period of 24 hours passes with inactivity, Flosstime frowns at you with a gentle reminder light. Flosstime comes with fully customizable features to create healthy, lifelong habits for you and your entire family, such as single and dual user modes to encourage you and your family to floss, and fun animal snap-ons that get kids excited about flossing, giving you one less thing to remind them about. Flosstime also comes with a reusable floss pick, so you can reap the benefits of good oral hygiene, regardless of how you like to floss. With a Flosstime monthly subscription box, the perfect amount of floss shows up right when you need it. And replacement floss cartridges install in just seconds. Flosstime. Time to floss.